Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this beautiful quilling gift box or chocolate box or treat box for your upcoming Diwali festival. You can just open the box like this, and the decoration is also completely handmade using paper quilling flowers. So, without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. For this we need some 3 mm quilling strips, liquid glue, any designer die cutout, half cut pearls, thread pollens, quilling tool, scissor, purple craft paper, mount board or cardboard, and I am using this silicone glue. First I am taking this mount board piece which measures 14 by 9 centimeters, and I will wrap this using purple color paper. Here I am creating the base for our box. Like this. In the same way I have created one more for the lid with the same procedure. Now I am starting with making the coils. So here I am taking 1.5 strip of bluish purple quilling strip, and I am making one tight coil. My one strip length is 45 centimeters. Like this. So we need 4 different shades of purple, and in total we need 160 bluish purple tight coils, 40 light purple tight coils, 80 dark purple tight coils, and 80 medium purple tight coils. So first I am taking the base and my bluish purple tight coils, and I will start adding these coils all around the edge one by one. In one row I will add approximate 40 tight coils. So after adding first row it will look like this. Now I am starting with the next row. For this I am taking this medium purple tight coils. So you just need to add tight coil between two coils. So the second row is also ready. Now I'm starting with the third row. For this again I am taking my bluish purple tight coils. And our third row is also ready. Now for the fourth row I am taking dark purple tight coils. Like this. Now we have reached till the middle part, and for the fifth row I am taking light purple tight coils. And our fifth row is also ready. So now you have to just repeat this process in opposite direction, that is dark purple, bluish purple, medium purple and again bluish purple till this height. So complete this process, and here after adding all 9 rows our box is ready. Isn't it looking very pretty? I'm loving those shades of purples. Now we will start with the lead. So I'm taking my lead base which we have created, and I'm taking here 10 mm purple color strip and just measuring the inner portion like this so that we can connect this measurement with our lead, and with this process we can close our box easily. So now we have this rectangular shape. Just add little glue in the bottom and connect with the lead. Like this, allow it to dry for some time. Now I'm starting with the flower decoration. For the first flower I am taking purple color strip and making 3 loops in increasing order. Then I am making 2 loops on left and right sides in little decreasing order, and then I will wrap this whole petal using remaining strip twice. Cut the excess strip and secure it. In the same way we need total 9 petals. Now this time I am using my silicone glue to adhere all the petals and to construct the flower. Silicone glue gives us very nice effect if you want to create 3D flowers in very easy manner. So just taking little glue on one paper base, I am just using simple paper square, spreading the glue using any wire or any pointed thing, and now I will start arranging my petals one by one in a circular way. like this. And for the center I am taking this bunch of yellow pollens. These are thread pollens. And the cute flower is ready. Allow it to dry. Now I'm starting with the second flower. For this I am taking one strip of dark pink and 1/4 strip of white color, and I am making one Malaysian flower petal. I will wrap this petal using white color strip. So here I have already taken little glue on one piece of paper, so I am arranging my flower and I will add half cut pearl in the center. And the flower is ready. Now for the next flower I am taking half strip of light pink and 1/4 strip of dark purple color and making one pointed teardrop shape. I will join total 7 petals to create the flower using silicone glue and adding half cut pearl for the center. Like this. Now I'm starting with the leaf. For this I am taking half strip of sap green and 1/4 strip of dark green color and making one leaf shape. I will join 3 petals together and the leaf is ready. I have created total 8 leaves for the today's project. Now I am starting with the scrolls. For this I am taking 2 1/4 strip of white and 2 1/4 strip of light pink color, just combining all together, and I will take light pink side on outer side. So just take your tweezer and start rotating it and you will get the scroll. Just cut the excess strip from the bottom and secure it using glue. Like this. In the same way I have created some scrolls using purple strips. So all the shapes are ready. Now I will show you how to cut the excess paper. So I kept all the flowers to dry overnight, and now my silicone glue is completely dried, so I can cut the excess paper from back side of the flower like this. And our flower is ready. In the same way I cut the excess paper from all the flowers. Now we'll proceed to the decoration part. So take back your box and see the lead is completely dried and it's fixing very well with the box. So now first I am adding this beautiful polka dot pattern paper. Then I am taking this beautiful intricate die cut out. If you don't have this die, you can also use any other pattern paper cut in a triangular shape and just connect it in the bottom, like I am adding this die cut. This die cut is from Heartfelt Creations. If you want to buy this, I am giving all the links in description box, you can check there. And now I will start adding my flowers, leaves and scrolls. like this. It's beautiful. I have added some half cut pearls in the corners as well, and one big half cut pearl in the center of the scrolls. So you can use this box to gift chocolates, sweets, diyas, candles, or watches, bracelets, anything which you want to add, anything which you want to gift. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.